everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this AC Infinity Grow Space fan. So this is going to be used for whether you have a greenhouse or you're growing plants inside. This is what that is for. It is 6 inches in diameter. It has an EC motor and it has 10 different speeds. So if you just have little seedlings that can't take too much wind pressure, you can put it on the lowest setting. If you have plants that are already flowering, you can get some really high airflow through there. This is meant to be resistant to heat and humidity levels. It's really, really quiet. You can barely hear it. It does have this little clip right here, so you can clip it onto whatever you need to, so it's above your plants or wherever you want it in the room. The head is a manual swivel, so you can just turn it any direction you would like. It does come with a couple adapters, so if you have a control system in your greenhouse or wherever you're growing, this will be compatible with that and hook up to it really nicely, so you can just control it from there. I think this is so great, like I said, for a greenhouse or if you are just growing plants inside. It's really compact, but still is powerful enough to have a lot of airflow if you need it. So if you are looking for something like this, I would highly recommend you look into this one. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.